In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ChatGPT in Chrome with the Chrome extension. First, open your browser and head to Google. Starting from google.com makes it easy to find the official listing quickly and avoid any confusing lookalikes. Make sure you're using Google Chrome for this walkthrough, since we're installing a Chrome extension. In the search bar, type ChatGPT Chrome extension and press Enter. This exact phrase helps surface the correct result at the top. You should see links pointing to the Chrome Web Store, which is the only place you want to install from. Click the result that says ChatGPT extension, Chrome Web Store. On the Web Store page, take a second to confirm you're on the right listing. Check the name, look over the description, and glance at the ratings and reviews. Verifying these details helps ensure you're installing the legitimate extension and not a copycat. Now, click the Add to Chrome button. A small pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Review the permissions listed in that dialog so you know what access the extension needs to function. When you're comfortable, click Add Extension to proceed. Chrome will begin downloading and installing it in the background. Give it a moment while it finishes installing. You might see a brief progress indicator, and when it's done, Chrome may show a confirmation banner letting you know the extension has been added. If you don't see a banner, that's okay. Just continue to the next part. Next, look to the top right of Chrome and click the little puzzle piece icon, which is the Extensions menu. This is where all your extensions live, including those that aren't currently visible on the toolbar. A drop-down will open showing a list of your installed extensions. Find the ChatGPT extension in that list. If you have several extensions, you may need to scroll a bit. Look for the one labeled ChatGPT, matching the name you saw on the Web Store page. To keep it handy, click the pin icon next to the ChatGPT extension. Pinning adds the extensions icon to your Chrome toolbar, so it's always just one click away. You should immediately see the icon appear to the right of the address bar. That's it. You've added and pinned the ChatGPT extension in Google Chrome. From now on, whenever you want to access it, just click its icon on the toolbar. If you ever want to adjust options later, open the puzzle piece menu again and manage the extension from there. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new, faster workflow with ChatGPT in Chrome.